You're not audible. Check your settings and we'll start it again. No problem.
Hello.
Hello. We are from of Young Indians Bhopal chapter. Today we are here to let you know a little information about kidney donation. Over to you, Sarvani.
Thank you, Ayushi. Good evening, viewers. My name is Sarvani Shah, and I am the member of Young Indians from the Vertical Gift and Organ. It is a platform for young Indians to work towards realizing a dream of a developed nation. We are on the third day of Gift and Organ Week, and today we will discuss about the importance of kidney donation. Gift and Organ is an awareness drive, an organ donation started by CII Young Indians in the year 2016. The objective of this drive is to help amplify the awareness and need for organ donation in a sustained but in a visible manner. This project is to create awareness and encourage students, community, and industry participation through VIA chapters. We are not here to change human habits, but simply to correct the unwarranted belief. About everyone who is watching this live, many few of us have actually taken those 10 minutes to pledge our organs. Thousands of people die every day with end stage organ failure. The only way they can have a new lease of life is having an organ transplant. One donor can give up to minimum of 10 people. Before heading towards the topic kidney donation, I want to put my views on organ donation. As you all know, what is donation, and we are always ready to help people in some or the other way. But many few of them actually know about what is organ donation and why organs should be donated. Donation of money, food, or anything can be done when we are alive. But the organ donation is such type of donation that can be done after the death of the people. We can change someone's life after life also. So just go for it and be an organ donor. Let's move towards the topic organ donation. What is kidney donation and importance of kidney donation? Introduction to kidney donation, how to donate kidney, procedure of donation, types of donor, and law governing organ donation.
Sarvani, can you please tell us if someone wants to donate kidney, what will be the procedure of donating?
Yes, I will tell you. If you want to donate to someone, your first step is to talk to him or her, and the transplant center where the person is listed. Transplant centers are hospitals that perform kidney transplant operations. If you're interested in donating to someone in need as a non-directed donor, contact a transplant center of your choice. Let them know you are interested in donating a kidney to someone in need. Be sure to include people you trust in your decision-making process. You may also be interested in speaking with other living kidney donors to learn more about their experience. Introduction of kidney donation. Donating a kidney is a generous act that can help improve another person's life. It allows someone whose own kidney have failed to live without needing dialysis. If you are thinking of donating a kidney, you should learn as much as you from many different sources. A kidney transplant is to treat kidney failure, a condition in which kidney can function at only fraction of their normal capacity. People with end-stage kidney disease need either dialysis or a kidney transplant to stay alive. A person who donates a kidney to someone in need is called a living donor, and the person who needs the kidney is called a transplant candidate. Any adult who is in good health can be assessed to become a living donor. The kidney donation process involves an operation to remove one kidney from the donor, and another surgery takes place the kidney into the transplant candidate. Nearly thousands of people are on the waiting list for the kidney transplant. Many more people are waiting for a kidney than for all other organs combined. Unfortunately, the number of people waiting for kidney are much more than the number of available kidneys and deceased donors. You can save a life by being a kidney donor. Now, we will go to the types of donor. Kidney transplantation. Kidneys for transplantations come from two different sources. The first is the living donor and the second is the deceased donor. Firstly, we will explain what is the living donor. Sometimes family members, including brothers, sisters, uncle, aunts, cousins, or close friends, may wish to donate a kidney. That person is called a living donor. The deceased donor, a deceased donor kidney comes from a person who has suffered a brain death. The Uniform Anatomical Act allows everyone to consent to organ donation for transplantation at the time for death and allows family to provide such permission as well. After permission for donation is granted, the kidneys are removed, stored until a recipient has been selected. Now I will tell you the procedure to donate the kidney. These steps will happen before the transplant. Your transplant team will explain the procedure to you and you can ask questions. You will be asked to sign a consent form that gives your permission to do the surgery. Read the form carefully and ask questions if you have any doubt. If you have been on a routine dialysis before the procedure, you will get dialysis before the transplantation. For a planned living transplant, you should fast for 8 hours before the operation, generally after midnight. You may get a sedative before the procedure to help you relax. Based on your medical condition, your transplant team may ask for other specific preparations. There are some requirements also and criteria that a person must to qualify to be an organ donor or a kidney donor. First, they need to be healthy enough to withstand a serious injury and a lifelong medication routine. They also have to be willing to follow the doctor's instruction and take medications regularly. Third, if they have a cardiovascular disease, cancer, bone injury, or any such type of disease, they are not suitable for the kidney donation. Fourth, one should also be a non-smoker, avoid alcohol and drugs if they want the kidney transplant to be successful. Law governing organ donation in India. The primary legislation related to organ donation and transplantation in India, the Transplantation of Human Organs Tissues Act, was passed in 1994 and is aimed at regulation of removal, storage, and transplantation of human organs for dealing, for therapeutic purposes, and for prevention of commercial dealings in human organs. Every 10 minutes, another person is added to the national transplant waiting list, and 82% of patients waiting are in the need of kidney. On average, a living donor kidney can function anywhere between 12 to 20 years, and a deceased donor kidney can improve quality of life for 8 to 12 years. According to this graphical representation, we can easily see that there is more percentage of kidney transplant during living period. There is less kidney transplant when the person is dead. But why so? Everybody has the chance to save his or her life. People after death. One person can donate up to 8 organs or tissues to the another person.
Sarvani, can you tell us when was the first kidney transplanted and who was the one?
Yes, the first successful renal transplantation in India was performed in 1971 and by the team led by Dr. Mohan Rai. Organ donation may help families grieve. There is no way around it. Funerals are difficult, yet a final gift can save lives and bring healing to other families. Something positive can come out of the pain. There's evidence that organ donation can help surviving families make sense of their loss. Following a donation, we remain in contact with the organ donor's family members and provide continued support for a minimum of 2 years following their loved one's gift. You are born with the ability to change someone's life. Don't ever waste it. At the end, I would like to conclude by saying you don't have to be a doctor to save someone's life. You can be an organ donor also to save someone's life. Thank you. We are also adding quiz link after the session. Those who are interested can go through. I would also like to thanks Dr. Anuj sir for giving me this opportunity, and Yuva chair, Ms. Meenal Garg, for believing in me and guiding me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sarvani. Thank you so much.